Am I the only one that didn't know about Faceless Explorer? This is your ultimate guide to the top 10 wet and wild holiday spots around the globe. We're talking cascading waterfalls, crystal clear waters, and exhilarating adventures that will leave you breathless. And who better to guide you than Faceless Explorer, the channel that takes you on journeys beyond the ordinary. Get ready to dive into some of the most incredible aquatic wonderlands on Earth. From serene lakes perfect for kayaking to massive waves that challenge even the best surfers, there's something for every water enthusiast. Whether you're looking for family fun at a water park or a thrilling beach adventure with friends, we've got you covered. So pack your bags, grab your gear, and let's dive into these unforgettable aquatic adventures together. Our first stop takes us to the iconic Niagara Falls, straddling the border of Canada and the USA. This natural wonder is renowned for its sheer power and beauty, drawing millions of visitors each year. The falls are a breathtaking sight, with water thundering down from a height of over 50 meters. The mist created by the falls can be seen from miles away, adding to the mystique and allure of this natural marvel. Hop aboard the legendary Made of the Mist boat tour, which takes you right into the heart of the roaring falls. Feel the spray on your face and hear the thunderous roar of the water as you get up close and personal with this awe-inspiring force of nature. For a different perspective, head up the Skylon Tower for panoramic views that are simply breathtaking. From this vantage point, you can see the full expanse of the falls and the surrounding landscape, offering a unique and unforgettable experience. Don't miss the nightly illumination of the falls, a magical spectacle of light and water. As the sun sets, the falls are bathed in a rainbow of colors, creating a mesmerizing display that captivates all who witness it. This nightly event is a must-see for anyone visiting Niagara Falls, adding a touch of enchantment to an already extraordinary destination. Next, we venture to the world's largest coral reef system, Australia's Great Barrier Reef. Prepare to be mesmerized by a kaleidoscope of colors as you snorkel or dive among vibrant coral gardens and encounter an abundance of marine life. Swim alongside graceful manta rays, spot playful clownfish darting through anemones, and if you're lucky, you might even encounter a gentle giant, the majestic whale shark. This underwater paradise is a must-visit for any ocean enthusiast. The Great Barrier Reef is not just a visual feast, but also a haven for marine biologists and researchers. With over 2,900 individual reefs and 900 islands stretching over 2,300 kilometers, it offers endless opportunities for exploration and discovery. For the more adventurous, night diving reveals a whole new world of bioluminescent creatures. Witness the magical coral spawning events, where the reef comes alive in a spectacular display. Efforts in reef conservation and coral restoration are crucial to preserving this natural wonder for future generations. Guided tours offer educational insights, making your visit both enlightening and unforgettable. As the sun sets over the tranquil waters, you'll leave with memories that will last a lifetime. All right, adventure seekers, let's dive into the mesmerizing beauty of Havasu Falls in Arizona. Reaching this natural wonder is an adventure in itself, requiring a 10-mile hike or a horseback ride through the Grand Canyon. Trust me, the journey is worth every step. As you approach Havasu Falls, prepare to be awestruck by the sight of cascading turquoise waters plunging into vibrant blue-green pools. The contrast against the red rocks is truly breathtaking. Take a dip in the refreshing waters, bask in the sun's warmth, and soak in the surreal beauty of this desert oasis. For those looking to extend their adventure, camping near Havasu Falls is an unforgettable experience. Imagine falling asleep to the soothing sounds of the waterfalls and waking up to the stunning sunrise over the canyon. The early morning light casts a magical glow on the falls, making it a perfect time for photography. Whether you're an avid hiker, a nature lover, or simply seeking a unique getaway, Havasu Falls offers an unparalleled experience. So pack your bags, lace up your hiking boots, and get ready to be enchanted by the magic of Havasu Falls. Get ready to be blown away by the sheer power and grandeur of Iguazu Falls, straddling the border of Argentina and Brazil. This natural wonder is one of the most awe-inspiring sights on the planet. This network of nearly 300 waterfalls is a sight to behold. The sheer volume of water cascading down is mesmerizing, creating a mist that rises high into the air. Explore the well-maintained trails that wind their way through the lush rainforest, offering breathtaking views from different angles. Each turn reveals a new perspective of this magnificent spectacle. Don't miss the Devil's Throat, a U-shaped chasm where 13 waterfalls converge with a deafening roar. The power and intensity of the water here are truly humbling. It's an experience that will leave you speechless. The sheer force of nature on display is both thrilling and humbling. Whether you choose to experience it from above, where you can see the full expanse of the falls, or from below, where you can feel the spray on your face, Iguazu Falls is a true testament to the power of nature. Capture the moment with your camera, but don't forget to take a moment to simply stand in awe of this natural wonder. The memory of Iguazu Falls will stay with you long after your visit. Prepare for an adrenaline rush as we journey to Victoria Falls, one of the world's most impressive waterfalls, located on the border of Zambia and Zimbabwe. Known as the smoke that thunders, Victoria Falls boasts the largest sheet of falling water on the planet. For the ultimate adventure, take a thrilling flight over the falls and witness its raw power from above. If you're lucky and the timing's right, you might even catch a glimpse of the elusive lunar rainbow, or moonbow, a truly magical sight. Victoria Falls is a destination that will stay with you long after you've left. The sheer volume of water crashing down creates a mist that can be seen from miles away, giving the falls its iconic name. Visitors can walk along the edge of the falls, feeling the spray and hearing the thunderous roar up close. The Zambezi River, which feeds the falls, is also a hotspot for thrilling activities like whitewater rafting and river safaris. As the day ends, the falls take on a golden hue, offering a breathtaking view that is perfect for photographers and nature lovers alike. A sunset cruise on the Zambezi River is the perfect way to end your adventure, providing a serene contrast to the fall's powerful display. All right, explorers, get ready to be wowed by some serious natural beauty. We're heading to Croatia to explore the stunning Plitvice Lakes National Park. This place is like something out of a fairy tale, with 16 cascading lakes connected by waterfalls and surrounded by lush forests. You'll want to dedicate a whole day to exploring the park's wooden walkways and hiking trails. Trust me, the views are breathtaking. From the vibrant turquoise waters to the misty waterfalls, every turn reveals a new postcard-worthy scene. Don't forget your camera for this one. The park is also home to a variety of wildlife, so keep an eye out for some amazing creatures. You can even take a boat ride across the lakes for a different perspective. And if you stay until sunset, you'll be treated to a magical view as the sun dips below the horizon. Whether you're a nature lover, a photographer, or just looking for a peaceful escape, Plitvice Lakes National Park is a must-visit destination. So pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable adventure in one of the most beautiful places on Earth. Next up, we're diving into the heart of adventure, the Amazon rainforest. And what better way to experience this incredible ecosystem than by rafting down the Amazon River? Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or prefer a more leisurely pace, there's a rafting trip for you. Picture yourself gliding through the water, surrounded by towering trees and the sounds of the jungle. Keep your eyes peeled for amazing wildlife, monkeys swinging through the branches, colorful birds soaring overhead, and maybe even a glimpse of a shy caiman. The Amazon River offers a variety of rafting experiences, from calm, serene waters to thrilling rapids that will get your heart racing. As you paddle through the currents, you'll feel the rush of excitement and the connection to nature that only such an adventure can provide. After a day of rafting, unwind by a campfire on the riverbank, sharing stories with fellow adventurers under the starlit sky. The sounds of the jungle at night create a magical atmosphere, making this journey even more unforgettable. As dawn breaks, the rainforest awakens with the calls of exotic birds and the rustling of leaves. Prepare for another day of exploration and wonder, knowing that each moment on the Amazon River is a step deeper into the heart of the wild. This is a once-in-a-lifetime experience you won't soon forget. Hold on tight, adventurers, because we're about to tackle the mighty Colorado River. This iconic waterway offers some of the most thrilling whitewater rafting in the world. From the gentle rapids perfect for beginners to the heart-stopping Class 5 rapids that will test even the most experienced rafters, the Colorado has something for everyone. The best time to go depends on the level of adventure you're seeking. Spring boasts the most intense rapids, while summer offers warmer water and calmer flows. No matter when you choose to go, get ready for an unforgettable ride through stunning canyons and breathtaking scenery. Whether you're paddling with friends or joining a guided tour, the camaraderie and teamwork make the experience even more exhilarating. Keep an eye out for the diverse wildlife that calls the riverbanks home, adding an extra layer of wonder to your adventure. And as the day winds down, there's nothing quite like watching the sunset over the water, reflecting the day's excitement and beauty. End your day with a campfire by the river, sharing stories and making memories that will last a lifetime. All right, thrill seekers, buckle up because Interlaken is not for the faint of heart. Nestled between two stunning Swiss lakes, this place is an adrenaline junkie's paradise. Think heart-stopping paragliding descents with panoramic views of the Swiss Alps, or maybe canyoning through narrow gorges. Rappelling down waterfalls is more your style. Interlaken has it all. And the best part? The scenery is absolutely breathtaking. Imagine soaring through the air, the wind whipping through your hair with snow-capped peaks as your backdrop. It's an experience you won't soon forget. But hey, if you prefer to keep your feet on solid ground, don't worry. Interlaken also offers serene lake cruises and charming villages to explore. But for those who like to live life on the edge, this is your playground. From skydiving to bungee jumping, the thrills are endless. And if you love hiking, the trails here offer some of the most scenic views in the Swiss Alps. Winter sports enthusiasts will also find plenty to do with snowboarding and skiing options galore. After a day full of adventure, unwind with Interlaken's vibrant nightlife. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or just looking for a beautiful place to relax, Interlaken has something for everyone. Get ready to be wowed by the raw beauty of Krka National Park in Croatia. This place is like something out of a fairy tale, with cascading waterfalls and crystal-clear turquoise waters. You can swim under some of the falls, which is an experience unlike any other. Trust me, it's magical. But Krka is more than just natural beauty. It's also home to fascinating historical sites, like the restored ethnological monuments scattered throughout the park. These ancient structures offer a glimpse into the past and add another layer of intrigue to this already captivating destination. So, whether you're a nature enthusiast, a history buff, or just looking for a unique travel experience, Krka National Park should be on your radar. The park also boasts numerous hiking trails that wind through lush landscapes, offering breathtaking views at every turn. Don't miss the boat tours that take you along the Krka River, providing a unique perspective of the park's stunning scenery. The diverse flora and fauna here are a treat for nature lovers, with many species unique to the region. And as the day ends, witnessing a sunset over Krka National Park is the perfect way to conclude your adventure. So there you have it, 10 incredible destinations that'll satisfy your thirst for adventure. From cascading waterfalls to adrenaline-pumping activities, these spots have it all. Whether you're a thrill seeker or just looking to relax in nature, there's something for everyone. Imagine yourself lounging on a pristine beach or hiking up a majestic mountain trail. The possibilities are endless and the memories you'll make are priceless. Don't forget to immerse yourself in the local culture and try the delicious cuisine each destination has to offer. It's all part of the adventure. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future travel guides. Your next adventure could be just a click away. And be sure to check out my other videos for more travel inspiration. From hidden gems to popular hotspots, there's always something new to discover. Also, don't miss my tips on packing and travel hacks to make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. Until next time, keep exploring and let your adventures take you to new heights.